Hello, myself Arindam Roy and I am the faculty in Ramanuj Gupta Degree College, Department of Physics. Today I will give some insight knowledge about your first semester courses on mechanics. So first of all, we need to understand what is mechanics. Mechanics, as we know, you have studied in class 11 that mechanics is the motion of a particle from one position to another position with respect to time, that we know. Now what mechanics we will study in your B.Sc courses, we are seeing that. So first of all, for studying the motion of a particle we need two parameters. One is mass and another is velocity. So mass can be categorized into two kinds. One is macroscopic one. Another is microscopic one. Microscopic means, for example, you can say the mass of an electron, proton, etc. Another thing is that for velocity, if you are moving with normal velocity, such as example we can say 30 km per second, 30 km per hour, normal speed. Another speed is speed of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8. If the particle of macroscopic particles moves with the velocity, which mechanics we will study, we will see that. Now I divide the mechanics into four parts. One is classical mechanics. Another is quantum mechanics. Another is special theory of relativity. Another is quantum field theory. In classical mechanics, you have already studied in class 11, that is Newtonian mechanics, which obeys the laws of Newton's laws of motion. STR is the Einstein's theory. And the quantum mechanics is about the Bohr Heisenberg uncertainty principle that you have studied in chemistry. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Then comes your Schrodinger equation. Etc. These are the scientists who contributed in the field of quantum mechanics. And the quantum field theory is, the scientist who contributed is Dirac, Pauli, etc. Now, which section of your motion we will study in the Newtonian mechanics, quantum mechanics, special theory of relativity, and quantum field theory. Now, if I say the mass, which is the macroscopic particle, macroscopic ones moves to the microscopic ones, means it changes. If we study about the macroscopic particle, then it comes to the classical mechanics. If we study about the microscopic particle, then it comes under the quantum mechanics. Now, in case of velocity, this is in case of mass. Now, in case of velocity, if it is normal, it is increasing one. Velocity is increasing one. If it is normal, then we will study Newtonian mechanics. If we increase the speed to the speed of light, then we will study the special theory of relativity, where the mass changes. In Newtonian mechanics, mass doesn't change, mass remains constant, but in STR, with the motion of the particle, mass of the particle changes. Now, here in quantum mechanics, we basically study about the existence of the microscopic particles, or the probability of the presence of the microscopic particles in some range of positions. If we see quantum field theory, it is the mixture of the speed of light and the microscopic particle, which we can say hybrid, which is the quantum field theory. Okay. Now, these are the four realms of mechanics which you will study throughout the B.Sc courses. Now, what are the practicals you will study in first semester B.Sc courses. Some of the examples I am telling you have studied the simple pendulum in class 11 experiment. You have studied simple pendulum. Here you will study the bar pendulum. Study the bar pendulum. And also another, to calculate the moment of inertia of a body or a part of a body, you need another experiment, that is one type of pendulum. It is also called one type of pendulum, that is torsional pendulum. Okay, so also to analyze the practical results, you need to understand graph, because graph is the only way to understand the nature of the motion of the particle and also other things. So there are many graphs like straight line, parabolic, hyperbolic, exponential, then comes a decreasing function, increasing function. So these are the graphs we will study in the practicals, and also we will analyze the results, what we will do in practicals. So this is it about your B.Sc courses, what you will study in mechanics. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.